Today we're going to talk about 4 editing hacks that will save you a bunch of time. Alright, so the first hack is interpret footage. Now let's say you shot a bunch of footage, some in 60p, some in 30p, some in 24p, and you shot the 60 and 30p with the intentions of slowing it down. Now typically what you would have to do is drag each individual clip in there, go to the speed, set it down to 40% or whatever you're going to set it to, and that just takes a lot of time and you have to do that for each and every clip. But instead of doing that, you can actually go into your bin, highlight everything, right click, go to modify, interpret footage, and input 23.976, and boom, everything will now be in 24 frames per second timeline and you're ready to go. The number 2 hack is markers. Markers are absolutely amazing for if you're editing to the beat, or if you want to give yourself a reminder of where you want to cut at, but you're not ready to cut there quite yet. So if you're going through a song and you want to make sure you're hitting on the beats, all you have to do is go through, hit the M, boom, you got a marker set and you'll remember where you're going to cut at. So the number 3 hack is shortcuts. Shortcuts in general are a big time saver, but these 2 in particular save me a ton of time and I use all the time. So C will take you to the razor tool so you can go ahead and make your cuts really fast. And then if you hit V, it will take you right back to the selection tool again and you can just go about your business. So this number 4 hack has absolutely saved me so much time, it's ridiculous. And that's synchronize audio. So typically what I was doing in the past is I would have my cues, if you slate it or if you do a clap or whatever it is that you have that audio cue so that you can sync it up later in post. Now I would still recommend doing those things because this is not a foolproof plan, but I would say that most times this absolutely works just fine. So all you have to do is bring in your clip, bring in your audio file, highlight both of them, right click, go up to synchronize audio, hit OK, and boom, your audio is synchronized. I know, right? I can't believe it took me this long to figure it out. Alright, well that's all I've got for you guys today. What editing hacks are you guys using that saves a bunch of time? Because I'm always looking for stuff that can help save time while I'm editing. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.